What to do, guys? Welcome back to one of the videos. Today we'll be doing oil change on this one. I have done it on a personal video. So if you haven't kept up with actually my videos, I have carbon fiber hood and fenders. I will be going a little bit faster on it. I have more parts inside the house. I will be wrapping the Z and I will be wrapping the GTR all in home. I will be doing all this in home. I do have a dyno around May 7th and I will be collabing with more people. I have been slacking and I'm so sorry about that. I will be back doing more content, more videos with more people, and I will be bringing back the shoes like I normally did because I have been selling pretty heavy, but I'll just be back. I am so sorry. I know I always say and I slack on it really bad and that's my fault, but I will be back and I just hope you guys like most of the videos. I'm back for good and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. So I'll be doing a video on this. Right now I'm just gonna do the oil change. I already did a video on that, but for the next video I do have to do the transmission and differential. Very first time doing that, and I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that. And also I got some little good fast mods for it if you've been keeping up with it, and that'll be on the next vlog. And so far on the 370, look, I finally got it out. I am taking the wrap off right now. See, carbon fiber everywhere, baby. It's a little bit dusty. I gotta fix all that, and I'll be wrapping this also next up and coming videos. But I just got a couple more things to do. But might as well that I'm already here. Let's go ahead and just change this shit. Fuck it. Let's go ahead and put the new one on. Right there. See that? I know that looks way better than this ugly ass thing. Just let me go finish the oil, and we'll get back to do this. Clamp this. Push it back, push this one. I believe it's a 10mm right here. I already took this one off. It's on the new one. And there's a hose and a clamp down here. And that's about it. Let me take it off. And like 3, 2, 1. Once you take off all the hoses, you shoot it down. You put it in a little bucket. I'm actually gonna go get some new antifreeze. And then you just plug everything back and you'll be good to go. Fill it up. Okay, so now you got everything plugged in. This is how it should look. I went to go get the new antifreeze from Nissan. And we're about to fill it up. I had to go do a couple errands. That's why it's kind of dark outside, if you can see. But hey, shout out to the good lighting though. Let's do it real quick and let me show you guys. So once you fill it up, you're gonna have to see this one. This one got a little bit too much, but I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the car and let a little bit come out. All right, just like that, everything's good to go. See you guys in the next video. I will be installing these charge pipes in the next video, and peace out.